Hey guys, welcome to our last maths lesson for the term and the school year. My goodness, how quickly that's come round. So, using our data, let's plot the information onto our line graph from yesterday. Your data model is on the screen, and grab your pen and paper, pause the video and get these written down. So today guys, we are going to be plotting our information from yesterday's lesson onto a graph. Now if you haven't done this already, then obviously you can go back and have a go at doing that now, but if you have, perfect. So we need to do a few different things. We need to work out a scale for each axis and a label. We need to think of a title and what our graph's going to show, and we need to make sure that our axes are all labeled as well. So first of all, our axes are going to be two lines, and I've chosen horrible colours there, blue against blue, sorry about that. So along the bottom, let's have a look, let's get our pen out. We are looking at the different activities. So I'm going to label my bottom bit as activities. And then I'm going to label what activities I've done. So I'm going to just label mine activity 1, activity 2, and so on, making sure that they're equal distance apart. Now you guys are going to be able to actually put the activities in that you have actually completed. Now the next axis is going to be our heart rate. So you're going to make sure you label it, heart rate, and then we're going to want to put our scale in. Now we're going to start it at 0. I'm hoping no one's heart rate was down at the 0 option though, including any parents. My goodness, that would not be a good start. And I went for a jog last night and my heart rate got up to 158 beats per minute. So I'm going to finish mine at 160. Now if I've got 16 squares between 0 and 160, that means each square is worth 10 beats per minute, and I'll go all the way up, completing my heart rate range all along each square or each line, doesn't matter which one. Now just like we tried yesterday, we had a look at on the previous day, activity 1, my heart rate was resting, so I'm going to say it was at approximately 60 beats per minute, so I'm going to put a cross in there. Now obviously you'll complete all of your axis labels and scales, so finish yours off when you get around to it. Activity 2, the stand-ups, my heart rate started increasing a little bit, so I'm going to say it went up to 80 beats per minute. Okay, now once I've got my 2 points, I can draw my line in with a ruler. That's a bit difficult for me on using a mouse, but you guys will be able to use a ruler at home. Once you've completed it, you should see a complete line graph. Now what you can do is create a key. So the red colour could be Mr. Lakin, and then your, say if you live with your mum or your dad, I'm going to put Mr. S. He also had a go as well. His heart rate's a bit slower than mine, and he was a bit slower there as well. So you can then track who's got a slower or quicker heart rate. So eventually, guys, we should see two lines on our line graph to show off our data. That is all for today, guys. Remember to label and underline all your titles, including your title at the top. So I would probably call this heart rate, before and after activities. Okay, right guys, if you have any questions, please let me know on Dojo. If not, good luck, and I'll speak to you again later. Bye bye.